Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. And in my this particular video, I am going to discuss how we can create a GUI for the experiment whatever I have shown in my previous video. That is, we will be given one card and I have to tell what is the card number, right? Like this one is 3 of diamond, this one 5 of diamond, this one 8 of diamond, this one 4 of diamond, like that 6 of diamond, 2 of diamond, 9 of diamond. Okay, so like that one small image set I have taken here, and now I am going to show you how we can create GUI. Okay, so before going to that, let me just show you the code which we have used earlier. First of all, what we have done, we have first read the image, then we have converted from RGB to gray, then we have converted to binary image, and as our object after conversion to binary image, the object is black, background is white, but generally in binary image processing we take object as white and background as black, so that I am complementing that. Then I need to basically detect what? I need to basically detect these bigger diamonds, right? These corner diamonds should not be counted, and if we able to make image which has only these bigger diamonds, then total number of these bigger diamonds equal to the card number, right? So what I am doing, I am applying IM open using the structuring element of diamond shape and having very huge size 30 I am taking, and then applying BW label, and basically this second output argument is going to give us the count. Okay, so let me just show you. So I have taken onea.jpg. Let me first show you that image. I am so AB, right? So if I just run Ctrl A and evaluate selection, this is nothing but image having only one diamond, so one of diamond. So if I just run Ctrl A and evaluate selection, in this particular B variable, see what is stored? One value is stored. That means it is one of diamond. I can take any other value. Just showing this because just to assure you that I am not manipulating in some other way, right? I am not giving that if this is the name is given as input, you should give this output like that. Suppose I am taking MV and this is a 2 of diamond. Now if I write B value, I'll be getting 2. Like one more example I can show you, maybe GB. Okay, and then if I just run, so you can see here this is 3 of diamond. If you write B value, it is giving us 3, so it is perfectly working. Now suppose this kind of code is okay, but if we able to make GUI, then a person who basically don't want to understand the code or don't that much interested in the code, he or she can also work with that project, right? Customer implementation, customer side implementation we can do using GUI. So how we can create a GUI for this? So just small steps, simple steps we will follow. Okay, I am not going to discuss in detail about the GUI. Obviously it is a huge part. Just whatever is required for implementing this particular project, that's what I am going to discuss. Okay, so just simply write guide in command window and hit enter. One new this kind of window will open, and here blank GUI, you just click OK, right? Then if you just create your blank GUI, here you will be getting multiple option. So first one, we are going to take one push button. Okay, so why push button is required? This will be used for browsing purpose. Okay, we will take any image and test that. So for this we are going to use this, right? Okay, let me make this bit bigger, right? Okay, then here I am taking axis. Axis part is basically used to display the image. Here I am taking for image display part, right? Axis 1, and one small window in the lower part I have to keep, which will basically give us the value for the card number. Okay, what is the card? 3 of diamond, 5 of diamond, like that, 5, 3, etc. values it should show, right? So for that, this edit text we are going to use. Text will be edited each time, right? So here I am keeping that. Now what you have to do, instead of giving this kind of name, we can give some good name which will basically give us idea what to do. Like instead of push button, basically as we want to browse the image, so I will click and go to property inspector, and here in the string part instead of push button I'll be giving basically browse, right? Here when you are changing the string, change in the tag part also. This is a good practice. So I am taking both browse, right? No need to save anything, just simply write and then close. You will be getting here browse. Axis, keep it as it is. Edit text, instead of this, here you can write in the string part, edit text part, you just write card number. Okay. And here tag part also write card number. Here if you cannot give basically space, so better to give here underscore in between card and number. And let me just close this, and if I just click on the save button, what will happen? See here, let me just save this with demo 2. Okay, here demo 2 figure file I am saving. Before that, just check what are the files available actually. Here see demo 2 named nothing is present, but as soon as I will save demo2.fig file as well as demo2.m file will be created. See here no demo 2.m file is present, right? Only demo1.m file one that file is present, but no demo2.m file. But as soon as I will click save, here what will happen? See demo2.m file also created, demo2.fig file also created. Okay, and here what we have to do, see no need to change anything, just you directly go to browse part. Where is the browse function? Just let's find out. So I guess I forgot to change the name here. Browse, let me just check once. Property inspector. Okay, sorry, this tag part here, you can see here tag part also change browse. Okay, all right, and then I am closing this and saving this. Right now you will be getting somewhere browse function. See browse callback, here you are getting, right? So now let us start writing the code from here. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply take this particular part of the code and paste here. Right now we no need to do im read this fixed one, user will choose that, right? So what we will do, we will basically use one inbuilt function help user input. Okay, get file, you just write ui get file and hit enter. You will be getting some help part, and the last part here you'll be getting one code snippet. Just copy this particular part of the code, only this one. Okay, control C, and what you do, you just paste here, right? Then here instead of dot star m, you just write dot star start dot star, instead of m make it star, because so that we can take image file also. And this particular part of the code which we have actually have kept here, instead of keeping here, you just write in the else part here. And what we will do, we need to give the path. So here I will basically remove this line, and here I will write file name equal to, I will concat the path name and file name. So string concat, strcat, string concatenation. Okay, first give the path name, first that path we have to go, and then the file name. Okay, and this file we have to extract and apply this operation. Where we need to show this image, we need to show this image in this axis, right? So what we will do, we'll basically, before showing here, we will write axis handles dot axis 1. Okay, so it will go to axis 1. See here the name is axis 1, right? Now so this is showing, and this b value is basically our outcome which we have seen. This we need to give to where? this we need to give to this card number. So what we will do, we will basically write value equal to convert to string, number to string, and give the value, and this value part I need to set to the edit text. Okay, that is handles dot card number. Remember, we have given card underscore number because I have told you here underscore, apart from that underscore it will not work. Like here you can see the function name is card underscore number. Handle dot card number comma what we are giving, string, right? Because this value we have converted to string. Okay, and then give the value. All right, just save. Let's hope that this code should work without giving any error. Just run this code. Okay, here you will be getting demo 2 and browse one axis, and here card number. Just click on browse, right? Then suppose I am choosing this card, right? Just click GK and open that. See what it is giving. It is giving 5 value or not? Yes, it is giving 5 value, and the card is actually 5 of diamond. Let us check once more. 2 I am giving. See, it is giving here 2 value, 2 of diamond. I can give any value, basically like 3. I am third 3 of diamond I am choosing. See, 3 of diamond, right? Then 8 of diamond I am choosing, but the computer actually don't know this is 8 of diamond or not. It just know how to apply the code whatever we have given. Okay, that is using image processing, it is predicting this value 8. Okay, like then 6 of diamond if I choose, it is giving the value 6. Like this you can create GUI simply using your image processing project. If you just create one more GUI, then it will increase the level of your project. Okay, that's why I thought to show you, and the idea is very simple. Just you need to practice a bit from MathWorks documentation and you will be getting habituated with this. Just some important things like push button, then axis, then edit text part. If you know how to show an image in a particular axis, how to handle the properties of a little bit some properties, not all the properties, some important properties like string or tag part, okay, of a particular button. If you know this, that is sufficient to implement this kind of project. I hope you have enjoyed this particular project. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.